Hey guys. Hey.
I
have trains ready. They're already ready
water.
here.
Put it back.
So as you see, this time on the other video I had this part right here. But on this video, it's going to be a curve and a straight. Forgot that battery. Okay, now I'm going to add some front cars here. So let me find them. So it looks like I have 2 front cars. Okay, now I have a red front car on the fast one. I have a blue front car on the slow one. So the slow one is Thomas and the fast one is the new original Thomas.
This is your purse.
Look at that. Thomas down left. He should be really sad about himself because he didn't follow the right path. He made too much things and the spark had flipped the switch to the straight. So Thomas, don't do that again. Yeah! Oh no, you gonna get Thomas. Go get him, go get him, go get him, boy.
You, Thomas, I'm gonna get you. You. Ah!
Okay, I'm going to build a new one. So wait 1 second, I'm going to build it as you see.
Hold on. Yeah. Go.
Okay, now as you see, I have 2. Because I already have 3 of them all together. And I have a straight nut that's not lump part. And I have that. And now, I'm turning the trains on. Station. And you can see, this is a station. See, I have a station right here. And when the train hits it, but the train's not going to go straight today, but he's going to go this way, and I have a lot of curves in there. So, as you see, Thomas is going to get him. Let's see if Thomas is going to really get him. Uh-oh, Thomas catching up. Oh! He like, come here. No, I'm not letting you get up.
Yeah. Ah! I'm getting on this track.
Haha.
What you doing?
And I'm a...
What?
Okay, we have Thomas versus the new train. Okay, let's see who's gonna win. Wait, that. We're gonna
Yeah, ball.
a ball.
You ready?
Yeah, Skylar, take your shoes off. I got something. I got at 5 o'clock.
That's it.